हाय बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। टुडे विल बी डू एक्सरसाइज 2.3 ऑफ चैप्टर 2 पॉलिनोमियल। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट्स आस्किंग डिवाइड द पॉलिनोमियल। px by the polynomial gx and find remainder, find quotient and remainder, and remainder in each of the following. Question number first is px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and gx is equal to x square minus 2. So first we will see. In this question we have to use long division method. It is px, it is qx. First will be write px x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. It is divided by x square minus 2. Now we will see. The power of x is here x cube 3. It means 3 power is here, and here is 2. So remove this power, will be take here x to power 1. And when this will be multiplied by x square minus 2, so power will be added. It means x power 2 and x power 1. It will be 3. So at the place below the x cube will be right here x cube. When x is multiplied by 2, it will be 2x with negative sign. So we will see where is x. Here is x. So below it will be right here minus 2x. Now we will be change the sign. It is a positive sign, positive sign. It is negative, it is a positive sign, positive sign and negative sign. So we will be change the sign positive. Always remember, if there are opposite sign, so we will be put the sign which is above. कहने का मतलब यहाँ पे अगर अपोजिट साइन है तो हमेशा ऊपर वाली साइन रखते हैं. अगर यहाँ निगेटिव होता है, यहाँ पॉजिटिव होता है, तो यहाँ पे निगेटिव साइन रखा जाता है. तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव तो यहाँ निगेटिव, तो ऊपर वाली साइन रखेंगे. और साइन चेंज करने के बाद हम जो चेंज साइन है उसी की वैल्यू को चेक करेंगे. तो ये कैंसिल, एंड इट इज 3x square. It is 5x with positive sign. It is 2x with positive sign. It means it is 7x minus 3. Now we have to remove 3x square. We know that here is x square, so will be take 3. When 3 is multiplied with x square, so it will be minus 3. Minus 3 when multiplied by minus 2, it will be 6. So at a constant term will be right here 6. It is a negative sign, sign will be changed positive, negative and positive sign will be changed. This will be cancelled. It is 7x minus 9. Clear? So our remainder is, it is quotient and it is remainder. Clear? Similarly you have to divide and write your quotient and remainder. Second question we see. px is equal to x पे power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and gx is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Now we'll be write here x पे power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and divide it by gx. It means x square plus 1 minus x. We see here the power of x is 4 and here the power of x is 2. So to make x power 4 will be take here x square. You know that when variable are multiplied, its exponent are added. So its power 2, its power 2. When this is multiplied in this gx, so it will be x to power 4 and x square into 1 x square will be see it is the power of x square. Below it we can be write here x square with positive sign because it is a positive sign, 1 is positive sign. So when x square is multiplied with 1 it will be x square, and when x square is multiplied with x with negative sign, so it will be minus x cube. We see here in this expression there is no minus cube, so we can be write another place minus x cube and draw a line. Now sign will be changed, positive positive negative, negative positive negative and negative. Here is negative, there is no any term above, so this sign will be changed. This will be cancelled. It is a negative sign, negative sign. It means minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5 plus x cube. Clear? Always remember, in the given expression always remove the larger term of variable, larger exponent. Sorry, अब इसमें x क्यूब है, इसको रिमूव करने के लिए हम जानते हैं इसका लार्जर एक्सपोनेंट कौन सा है, x क्यूब और x स्क्वायर. सबसे पहले हम बड़े पावर को रिमूव करते हैं. तो बड़े पावर को रिमूव करने के लिए अब इसमें यह x क्यूब है, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर और ये पॉजिटिव साइन के साथ है, तो हम यहाँ पे x रखेंगे. सो वी कैन बी टेक x. इट मीन्स इट्स पावर इज 1 व्हेन x इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ x स्क्वायर, सो इट विल बी x क्यूब. विल बी राइट हियर x cube, and when x is multiplied with 1 it will be x. So we will see in this expression where is x, here is x, so below it we can be writing x with positive sign. When x is multiplied with minus x it will be minus x square, so we know that it is the exponent of x square, so below it we can be write minus x square. Clear? Now we will change the sign, negative negative positive, positive positive negative, it is positive plus positive positive negative, this will be cancelled, and it is a positive, it is a negative sign, it is a positive sign, so this positive, it means 1x square will be subtracted from minus 4x square, so it will be minus 3x square. Now it is a positive sign, it is a negative sign, this sign negative. So when minus x will be subtracted from 4x, it will be plus 3x and it is plus 5. Now it is a larger exponent x square, so remove minus 3x square, will be right here minus 3, and when minus 3 will be multiplied with x square, it will be minus 3x square. Minus 3 when it multiply with 1 it will be minus 3, it means it is a constant term, so will be right below the constant term, and when minus 3 is multiplied with x it is minus 3x, so it is minus 3x. Again we will change the sign, negative negative positive, positive negative means positive, positive negative it means positive, so this will cancel. It is positive sign, it is positive sign, it is 6x and it is positive, plus 8. Clear? So our quotient is this and remainder is clear. Now third question you have to do. I will tell you the third question. It is px is equal to x के power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and gx is equal to 2 minus x cube. You have to divide px by gx. You have to do. Now next question. Question number second. Check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. By dividing the second polynomial. By the first polynomial. Clear? Question number first is t square minus 3 2 t to power 4 plus 3 t cube minus 2 t square minus 9t minus 12. प्रीवियस वीडियो में बेटा हमने ये बताया था अब ये कब इसका मतलब फैक्टर होगा, उसमें बताया था कि इससे वैल्यू जो है जीरो के बराबर करके इसकी वैल्यू निकाल के इसमें रख देते हैं. अगर इसका रिमाइंडर जीरो आ जाता है तो ये इसका फैक्टर है, नहीं रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का इसका. लेकिन इसमें इसको डिवाइड करके बताना, अगर डिवाइड करने पे जीरो आ जाता है तो ये इसका फैक्टर है. इस क्वेश्चन में डिवाइड करके करना है, जबकि प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में जब रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का यूज था तो सीधे इसकी वैल्यू जीरो के बराबर करके टी की वैल्यू निकाल के इसमें रख देते. अगर ये जीरो आ जाता तो ये इसका फैक्टर हो जाता. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम डिवाइड करके चेक करेंगे. नाउ सी इट इज 2 टी पे पावर 4 प्लस 3t स्क्वायर माइनस 3t क्यूब माइनस 2t स्क्वायर माइनस 9t माइनस 12. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे t स्क्वायर माइनस 3. तो सबसे पहली बात ये सबसे बड़ी पावर को हम रिमूव करेंगे. वी नो दैट इट इज ए t पे पावर 4, इट इज t स्क्वायर. सो रिमूव 2t पे पावर 4 विल बी राइट हियर 2t square. When 2t square is multiplied with t square, it will be 2t पे power 4 because t पे power 2 and t पे power 2, it will be 4. Now, when 2t square is multiplied with 3, it will be minus 6t square. So we will see here it is a t square at the place below of 2t square will be right minus 6t square. Clear? Draw a line and change the sign. It is a positive sign, positive, it means negative. It is a negative, negative, it means it is positive. This will be cancelled. Now it is 3t cube minus, now see it is minus sign, it is a plus sign. So we know that it is a greater than 2t square. So minus 2t square will be subtracted from plus 6t square. So it will be plus sign 4t square. and it is minus 90 minus 12. Now again will be remove larger exponent, it means 3t cube. To remove this we will be take here t to power 1, it means t. When t is multiplied with t square, and we know that here is 3t, so we can write here 3t. Clear? 3t when multiplied with t square, it will be 3t cube. And when 3t is multiplied with minus 3, it means minus 90. At the place below minus 90 we can write here minus 90. Now will be try a line. It is a positive sign, positive sign. Sign will be changed negative, negative sign, negative sign. It will be change positive. This will cancel, this will cancel. Clear? Which is left? 4t square minus 12. Now we have to remove 4t square. We know that here is t square. To remove 4t square we will be right here plus 4. When 4 is multiplied with t square, it is 4t square. When 4 is multiplied with 3, it means minus 12. Sign will be changed, positive, positive, negative, 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 positive. This will cancel. It means remainder is 0. It is remainder. And it is quotient. It is quotient right here. Clear? We know that if it is 0, remainder is 0. So this is divided to this. Clear? So it is the factor of this. Now next question you have to do. I'll give you the question to do like this. Question number 2 of 2. It is x square plus 3x plus 1, 3x to power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. It means you have to show this is the factor of this. You have to solve using this. And third question is x cube minus 3x plus 1 and 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. इसको इससे डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है। अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाए तो फैक्टर है, नहीं तो नहीं। बस इसमें यही बताना है कि इसको इससे डिवाइड करने पे अगर 0 आ गया तो फैक्टर है, नहीं अगर नहीं है तो डिवाइड करके बताना ये फैक्टर है कि नहीं है इन दोनों क्वेश्चन में। सो यू हैव टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Find all other factor of 3x की पावर 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. बच्चों इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया है, अगर दो जीरोस दिए गए हैं तो उसका सम उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या होगा और उससे हम क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल किस तरीके से बनाते हैं, ठीक है। We know that it is a biquadratic polynomial. Its maximum degree is 4. It means its power is 4. So it is a quadratic polynomial. हमने बताया था जो क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल होता है उस पे पावर 2 और क्वाड्रिक बाइक्वाड्रिक में 4 होता है. इट इज अ बाइक्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल. तो अगर ये 4 है तो इसके 4 जीरोस होंगे. ठीक है. और क्वाड्रिक के जो 2 जीरोस हैं वो दिए गए हैं. तो सबसे पहले इन 2 जीरोस की सहायता से हम लोग क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल बनाएंगे. ठीक है ना. तो क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल. नाउ सी हियर सॉल्यूशन. दो जीरोस √5/3 एंड -5/3. तो इसे क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल. क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल उसका 2 तरीका बताया था. प्रीवियस वीडियो में जाके चेक कर लेना बेटा. x minus √5/3 in one bracket. It means x minus first zeros and second x second zeros. X minus, and we know that it is a negative sign, so sign will be right here negative, and √5/3 bracket will be closed. So this will be x minus √5/3. Minus minus, it will be positive sign. X plus √5/3. We know that a minus b and a plus b. So this will be a square minus b square. It means this will be √5/3 whole square. So it will be x square minus 5/3. Now this biquadratic equation is divided by quadratic polynomial. Okay, divide it. It is 3x की power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. बाइक्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल को अब हम क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो उसके बाद जो क्वोटेंट आएगा वो हमारा क्वाड्रिक पोलिनोमियल आएगा. तो पहले डिवाइड करते हैं. इट मीन्स x स्क्वायर minus 5/3. Divide it. First we'll have to remove 3x के power 4. So we can take a 3x square. Its power is 2. Its power is 2. It means it will be 3x के power 4. It means 3x के power 4. Now 3x square is multiplied with 5/3. So do here. Minus 5/3 into 3x square. It means minus 5/3 to 3x square. So 3 will be cancelled. It means minus 5x square. See here, where is minus 5x square? There is x square. Here is x square. So below it we can be write minus 5x square. Now we have to change the sign. It is a negative sign, negative, negative, positive. This will be cancelled. 6x cube. It is a positive sign, it is a negative sign. So when minus 2x square is subtracted from 5x square, here 3x square is, it is minus 10x minus 5. Now we have to remove 6x cube. To remove 6x cube, we take here 6x. 6x when multiplied with x square, it will be 6x cube. 6x when multiply with minus 5/3, so minus 5/3 into 6x. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. It means minus 10x. So we can write below minus 10x. Draw a line and change the sign. Positive, positive, negative, 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 positive. This will cancel, this will cancel. So it is 3x square minus 5. Now we have to remove 3x square. Now we take here 3. When 3 is multiplied with x square, it is 3x square. And when 3 is multiplied with 5/3, so it will be minus 5 left. So again will be change the sign, positive positive negative, negative negative positive, this will cancel, it means remainder is 0. So our quadratic polynomial is this, it means quotient is this. Now we have to do the factor. 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Okay, we can take 3 common. X square plus 2x plus 1. We know that a square plus b square plus 2ab, it is the factor of x plus 1 square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is the factor and we have to find the zeros. Clear? So we can write here equal to 0. When 3 is divided, when 0 is divided by 3, so it will be 0. So x plus 1 square is equal to 0. When x plus 1 is equal to 0, we can write in 2 times because it is the power 2. When x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. So its two value is minus 1. First x plus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1, and second x plus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Clear? So it's your solution. It means two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. It's your answer. It means answer minus 1 minus 1. Clear? Now next question. Question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. So we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, using this formula we have to find. In this question it's saying that on dividing this, it means it is a dividend by a polynomial, the quotient and the remainder were, it means quotient and remainder was given. Clear? So you have to find gx, it means divisor you have to find. So at the place of dividend we will be write this x cube minus 3 x square plus x plus 2 is equal to divisor, it means gx you have to find. We can be write here gx, and it is the quotient and remainder is given. Quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is plus minus 2x plus 4. You have to find the value of gx. So first will be replace this in left hand side, it means x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. When this will become in left side, the sign will be changed. It will be minus 2x. This will be plus 2x. It is plus 4, so it will be minus 4. And this will divide this. It means it will be in denominator form. X minus 2 is equal to gx. So first will be solved. Denominator x cube minus 3x square. 3x square. It is x. It is 2x. It will be 3x. And it is 2. It is minus 4. So minus 2 will be left, and x minus 2 is equal to gx. Now you have to find the value of gx using long division method. So gx will be, now you have to divide it, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 x minus 2. It is x cube. Removing x cube will be take here x square. When x square is multiplied with x minus 2, so it will be x cube and minus 2x. This will be cancel. It is minus 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So to remove minus 3x square, again will be take minus 3 and x. Minus 3x, when it will multiply with x, it will be minus 3x square. Minus 3x into 2, it means plus 6x. Plus 6x. Sign will be changed. This will cancel. When 5 is subtracted from 6, it will be minus x minus 2. So it is x minus 2. Okay, we can take here minus x. It is minus, it is we have to remove minus x. It means minus 1 we can take. It is minus 1. So when we will take minus 1, it will be minus x, and it is minus minus, it is a plus 2. This sign will be changed. This will cancel, and this will 4. So 4 will be left here. In this question there will be some mistake to write the question, and using this you have to find gx. It means the value of gx is this, and the question is wrong here. It means minus 2. It is minus 4, and it will be positive sign. If it will be positive, so minus 1, हाँ ये गलत हो गया। यहाँ पे साइन पॉजिटिव रहना चाहिए था, माइनस 1 का यहाँ पे माइनस एक्स हो जाएगा, ये चेंज हो गया, और यहाँ पे माइनस 1 होगा। ठीक है, तो ये चेंज हो जाएगा, पूरा कैंसिल, तब रिमाइंडर 0 होगा। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हम इसका gx फाइंड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अब इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 यू हैव टू डू। ठीक है, इसी कॉन्सेप्ट पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, उस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करना है कॉपी में, एंड नेक्स्ट डे विल बी डू एक्सरसाइज 2.4। थैंक्स फॉर टुडे। ओके बेटा।